trying Doodleart for the first time, and let's find out, is Doodleart overrated? Stick till the end to see smurfcatmeme doodle that genuinely blew my mind. I know you guys might have a doubt. What is Doodleart? Doodles are simple drawings that can have meaning or may just be composed of random shapes and abstract lines. I'm trying Doodleart because ChatGPT replied, Doodleart has benefits like. Okay, GPT, I get the point. First step is learning. Alright, let me put everything I have learned into a small text and we then move on to smurfcatmeme drawing, which I'm also very excited for. Dabbling is done. Now let's dive into making something bigger and bolder. I think this is going to take a lot of time, so I have to be prepared for it. Let's make some tea. I'm bored drawing in my room, so let's go outside. Sketching was refreshing and I'm planning to do full video on outdoor sketching. Tell me in the comments if you want that video. It took 2 days to finish this doodle, but honestly, it didn't feel like that. Doodleart was so relaxing and in the end, I feel Doodleart is perfectly rated and it was really fun. Tell me in the comments if you want to see more Doodleart videos. Until next time, keep creating.